Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much guys. Well, okay, so yep, I'm back here. Yes, thank you. Yes. Hi Riano, nice to see you here. Wow, you're the first one among all. Hubert, okay. Lisa, nice to see you. May I know where you are from? All right. So, guys, if you are new to my channel, remember to click on the subscribe button and remember to smash the like button for me as well. All right. And okay. So, thank you so much. All right. So, over here, there's little updates of what's going on yesterday when the President Joe Biden has actually give a speech. Okay, so there'll be extra and sanctions against in this Russia. So more things going to happen. All right. So I guess we are going to have a more economy rock in the days coming. Huh? Okay. So well, is it good for us? I would say that importantly is to bring peace to the world. Okay, to stop the war. Okay, so yes. Okay, so what will actually impact? What's the impact over to forex trading? Well, okay, so I guess we don't really go rely on the fundamental. When I talk about fundamental means the news. Okay, so just focus on what is the movement. Okay, to find out what is the investors movement is like every day, each day. Then we will go on the trading. All right. Okay. So hi Manwai, ni hao, CK, Aiden, and Trinet, Fab. Wow. Okay. And yeah. Okay. So we will. Yes, carry on. Okay, what's going to be like today? Okay, so let's see. Okay, can I have my MT4, please? All right, MT4. Okay, so yes. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so what are we going to do over here with AUDCAD? Yesterday, AUDCAD had a sudden drop. Yes, this is what this movement, okay, is a bit unexpected. Okay, so however, it is going to be reading as a bear market. Can I? Okay, so in this case, this bear market is not really that obvious for us. Okay, tentatively. All right. So over here. Okay, so what we are going to do is that study first, okay, before we take action. Okay, so let's go back to the structure. All right, so in this higher support over here, higher supports coming along. All right, so looking at this higher supports coming, and it seems that it's still in the bull, but it has trying once to go into the bear, second time, the third time. Well, it seems like they are trying very hard. Okay, so the bull is actually meeting up with a lot of obstructions in this level. So now coming back over here, if we are going to sell, okay, looks like it's looking good to sell. Honestly, okay, it's looking good to sell. However, let's look at the places that we are going to sell and what are the obstructions that we are facing. All right. So first of all, let's take a look at this over here with a resistance here. And also, let's take a look at the support level right here. Yes, exactly. You are right. Okay. And Flora point out, yes, we are on the support right now. Yes, that is correct. So we are on the support. So tentatively, if this is on the support, will there be a good chance for us to continue the selling? Right, so I would say yes. Over here, H4, I'm going into a H4 that shows the support was here. Okay, and we are very near to the support. So there's one way that I can go on for the trading is that, okay, right here over here. Okay, there is a support, and then the resistance over here. Okay, the resistance was here. One resistance here, tested, break. it become a resistance. So now over here, this is the support. So for Aussie CAD today, yes, indeed, we are looking out. I'm looking out for a selling. I'm looking out for a selling. However, we are on the support. So on the support right now, so I will want to wait. I will want to wait for a breakdown. Okay. So the break over here, once the breakdown, okay, then I will wait for a new resistance below the support. Then I will start selling. Okay. Then I will start selling. So in this case, okay, in this case, for all this for this Aussie CAD is a bit is still in this bear zone. In this bear zone, once it breaks through the support, it's also going out of the bear zone. But today it may, okay, but I am still having some reservations, okay, against this Aussie CAD. So Aussie CAD over here, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to wait for it to break first, to break the support, because after breaking the support, we have quite a good space, 40 over pips, and I will do a short-term profit taking. Okay, so Aussie CAD, we can pay attention to that. Okay, for today. All right. So Aussie CAD, but of course, if it's supported and it's going up, let's wait for it to hit on the resistance to create a new cycle to sell. Okay, then we enter for the trade. Okay. Right? What I meant, what do I mean by this? Okay, by the new cycle to sell, that means it may hit a support here and it goes up, and it hits on the resistance over here. If this area of resistance, then it will actually create a selling action here. So the selling action here to the support, we have about 20 pips. So you see, it's very small. Am I right? So I will still scout for a 5. Okay, then I will wait for it to break the support level before I continue. Okay, all right. So that's the plan for Aussie CAD. Okay, so Aussie franc. What about Aussie franc? Aussie franc, yes, another retracement down again, but we are in the bear zone, right into the bear zone here. This area. Okay, so this area, is it a good time to trade? It is in the transition of the bull changing the trend down to the bear. Okay, so in this area, I am not very comfortable, but of course we may have a chance that we can monitor it. Okay, we can monitor it, and then we will see how it goes. Okay, all right. So Aussie franc tentatively is not a favor. Okay, so currently, if you're asking me, will there be a chance to sell? I would say probably. Okay, if the support here is going to break. There's a support over here. Can you see we are on the support? Okay, so this support, okay, now, all right, it's seems like it's testing, it's breaking. Okay, but there's no sign of selling yet. So tentatively, I will not take any actions here. For Aussie franc, totally leave it out. Okay. Okay, so how about Aussie yen? Aussie yen over here. Okay, Aussie yen, yeah, continue the bull. And now there's a retracement. Well, probably the retracement now coming back here, it may show a selling, but it may be a trick, because what we are looking at it now is a higher support. Tomorrow may be a higher support, or today may even start to build a higher support. I don't know. Okay, but by looking at this, the trend, it is still quite a way up. Okay, to my strongest resistance over here. Okay, so looking at this, yeah, are we going to sell? No, because it's still in the bull trend. Okay, all right. So Aussie Kiwi, yes, Aussie Kiwi. Aussie Kiwi is still also in the bull right here. Okay, it hits and hits and hits and now continue. Today we have a gap down. Okay, today the gap down here. So this gap down over here seems like we are going to set up for a buying signal. So for me, I will not be doing a selling. For buyers, can take note of this. All right, take note of Aussie Kiwi to buy. How about Aussie dollar? Aussie dollar, yes, Aussie dollar, I guess are pretty good. Okay, Aussie dollar, okay, Aussie dollar pretty good. I will see that now there's a good chance that the Aussie dollar will have a chance to sell. However, are we into the trend to sell into the bear? We are into the bear but transition. Okay, we have a selling signal, but we are in the transition. Can you see the support, 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 support? A whole lot of support here, and we are right now on the support as well. Okay, so right now we are on the support. Okay, so in this case, over here, Aussie dollar, if I want to sell, definitely I will have to wait for a selling signal, which is breaking the support. Okay, I want to break the support level. So as for the resistance to create a new cycle to sell, okay, so let's see, it will be quite obvious. It should be here. Okay, it should be here. Right, why is it should be here? It's because, okay, the previous support tested break, correct? So there will be a good chance that it will have a retracement up here. Okay, so it's about 30 pips, or to break down 6 pips, which is nearer to you, which is breaking the support. Okay, so Aussie dollar, I'm going to wait for it to break the support with a new resistance below, then I start trading. Okay, all right, so Aussie dollar, I'm going to put this into my list today. Okay, so over here, Euro Aussie, Euro Aussie, yes, 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 Euro Aussie over here, Euro Aussie. Okay, we have exceeded the bull zone, which is the strongest, and supported coming back here. So Euro Aussie looks like it's going for a buy. Well, will it going to continue the buying? Well, let's take a look. It's still on the retracement, still going strong. Yesterday the candy was very weak. Okay, so I guess today I'm not going to touch Euro Aussie. Okay, and Euro CAD, in terms of CAD, I would say that it's still going to be the same. Okay, so yes, let's take a look over here. So for Euro Aussie, sorry, this is Euro Aussie. Sorry, just give me a minute. Okay, my screen is not synchronizing. Okay, can you give me Euro Aussie, please? Okay, Euro Aussie, sorry. Euro Aussie over here, yes, like I said, it hits on the support and coming back. Yeah, it's still now going very strongly. So tentatively, I'm not going to touch on Euro Aussie. Sellers and buyers, we are supposed to stay away first. Okay. Euro CAD. Okay, let's take a look. Euro CAD over here. Okay, Euro CAD. Yesterday, yeah, the CAD was very weak. Okay, so it's taking advantage. Euro is taking advantage to ride on the bull. So right now, let's take a look at this. I would say that tentatively, it's going to form up. Okay, going to form into the bull zone, which in previously we actually take note about that. Well, so now is moving towards the bull zone, so I'm not going to touch this. Okay, Euro CAD. So Euro Pound as usual. Okay, as for the situation right now, I'm not going to touch this as well. So for Euro Yen, okay, Euro Yen over here. Well, Euro Yen, when we are talking about Euro Yen over here, take a look at Euro Yen. Because Euro Yen over here is a bull coming back into the bear zone. Okay, this is in the bear. We are in the bear zone, but today, it seems like the bear was yesterday it has tested, but rejected, and today the rejection is not strong enough to push it further down. Seems like it has forming up an overview over here is forming up a support. Correct. Okay, let's take a look. Where is it? All right. So in the bear zone, we are in the bear. Okay, we are in the bear of this Euro Yen. Then, but today it shows there's a retracement. Okay, so where the retracement ends and where it will end. Okay, so I will take note of the resistance, which is the same, no change over here. Okay, so over here, I will see that this one will have to test on the resistance. Once this has been tested, then there will be a chance to continue the selling. Okay, to continue the selling. So when it's continue the selling, of course, we got a chance to sell. So Euro Yen, if we are going to sell today, okay, I guess probably we have to wait for it to hit on the resistance first, which is about 50 pips. Okay, 50. So 50 pips. In this case, if you are going to trade of this, I think buyers you can go on. Okay, but it's anti-trend. Sellers, I guess, are probably we will give it a miss. Okay, today. Okay, for this first half, probably may come on the second half. I don't know. Okay, but probably it will be the charts that I'll be looking out for. Then it will come maybe tomorrow. Okay, all right. So let's move again to Euro Kiwi. Euro Kiwi, all right, Euro Kiwi. Euro Kiwi, now we are in the bear tested for a lower low over here. So lower low has been created. The next thing that we are going out for is this is still in the bear, but today is a retracement. So it's a retracement day, so Euro Kiwi most likely it will still continue the retracement all the way up on to this level. Okay, so over here, by looking at this here, we have our 80 over pips. Buyers take note, sellers stay away. Okay, all right. Euro dollar, euro dollar. Yes, euro dollar. By a look, you can tell that this is still in the bear market. All right, it hits on the support, coming out with a higher support, higher low, which is higher support. But the past 4 days, it has actually comes down and actually started to meet up with the support over here. And yeah, nicely done. It's a retesting of the support right here. So it's still in the bear, but today the bear seems like the retesting is coming to the end. So going to go for a buy very soon. Euro dollar, I would say that euro dollar buyers can take note. And over here, the resistance looking out to resist the price downwards. So at this point of time, buyers, if you are going to buy, please take note of the resistance level. Okay, please look out for it because it's also about 20 pips of space for you to buy. Sellers, I would say that sellers today, okay, we don't we don't expect to have a good chance to sell, okay, for euro dollar. Okay, so let's skip. Okay, let's go into pound Aussie. Pound Aussie over here. Yes, pound Aussie. Yes, pound Aussie. Pound Aussie over here. Pound Aussie, we are hit onto the bull. This bull here, okay, now is this bull here is actually coming, okay. Then over here is into the bull zone coming out, okay. So moving upwards. We are very close. This is still in the transition. So whether it will still continue the bull run, okay. So make sure you have you make sure you break the resistance over here. Sorry, it should be here. Okay, there's a resistance here. So break this resistance over here, then retest the resistance as a support, then continue to buy. Okay, so pound Aussie will be good for buying, not for selling today. All right. Okay, so let's move again into my pound CAD. Okay, pound CAD over here. Pound CAD. Pound CAD has been a bear run. Okay, we have grabbed profits from the top until now. Today support has been formed. So today, let's see, the bear zone has come, pushes down. We are very near to the bull, and we have not reached the bull yet. Okay, we have not reached the bull yet. So tentatively, by reading this, okay, as you can see, the resistance level. Okay, this is the resistance level. As you can see, the resistance level over here. Okay, this area. This resistance has been tested a few times with the mustaches over here, which also form a resistance right here. So over here, by looking at this, will there be a chance to sell? I would say yes, probably we will be looking up for a chance to sell, but probably it may take a while, the second half of the day or maybe tomorrow, if this is going to come back as a retesting of the support back to the prevailing bear trend, test on the support here. Okay. So that's for pound CAD, but I'm not going to touch this pound CAD as well today. Okay, so I'm going to leave it alone. So until it actually finish running and being resisted on the second half of the day, then we will continue. All right. Okay, so pound franc over here. Okay, let's take a look at pound franc. Pound franc is in the bear, running very in a very consistent, gradual trending down to test the bull. So after testing the bull here, okay, right here, okay, So now it started to shift up. Okay, so by shifting up now, we are meeting up with a resistance, exactly the resistance level. Okay, so buyers, you can only go for buying for pound franc. So break the resistance. Let's break the resistance. Then retest the resistance to become a support. As buying signal come, then you can continue. If not, it's kind of difficult. Okay. Okay, so pound will continue the bull run. So not, definitely not for me. All right. So how about this pound yen? Okay, pound yen. Pound yen, yes, looking at this is still on the buy side. Okay, still in the bull, running strongly. Okay, still in the bullish market. So tentatively, we are still in the transition area. So this transition area is definitely not my cup of tea. By looking at this in this area here, okay, will there be a chance to sell? Okay, I would say yes. Though it's not my cup of tea, but they will still have some chance to sell. Okay, support area is here. Okay, so pound yen, pound yen, pound yen. We are on the resistance right now. Pound yen, we're on the resistance right now. Okay, so will there be any chance that we are going to have a change of trend and you will start to sell? Okay, probably. Yes, very. I would say likely. Okay, so let's see. Probably where's the change? Okay, where is the change? Okay, so I would say probably we should put it up here. Okay, so let's see. From the support pushes a higher support to touch this. Okay, so right now, touches the resistance. Now it's trying to form a lower resistance. Okay, a lower resistance, lower than this. Okay, so take note of this pound yen. Okay, so pound yen. I would say that today we may have a chance to sell, though it's in the transition. But this transition, there's a lot of turbulence when you hit the buying. It goes up. When you hit the selling, like now, is coming soon to sell. Okay, coming soon to sell. So we have to make sure that there's a lower resistance coming, and then I think probably there will be a good chance to sell. Okay. All right. So pound yen, I would say that tentatively. Am I going to put this into my list? Okay, I would say, okay, yes, because the probability of this winning is still quite high. Okay, then you're asking me in terms of percentage, I would say about 70. Okay, 70. But once it breaks above the resistance, of course, no more. Okay, all right. So pound yen, I'm going to put this into my list. Okay, pound yen. Right, so next to go, pound kiwi. So pound kiwi today, okay, tested the support, okay, with a rejections, and after that is continue the run. So pound kiwi is still on the run for the. So tentatively on this, this is not the one. This is the resistance. So probably for buyers who want to buy, you still have a good space to continue the buying. Okay, you still have a very good space to continue the buying. Okay, how about pound dollar? Okay, pound dollar experiencing a retesting right now, and it's actually go and touches the support. Has been the support. Okay, the support from the 5th, 6 touches, 6 until now 7 touches, and now still going up. Okay, so this is where the resistance is. Okay, and this resistance, let me see. The resistance is actually pretty near. Okay, but for pound dollar over here, pound dollar, I would say I think we have to stay away. Okay, stay away, because I see something over here on the support here is very strong. Okay, here one thing. Second, double bottom. Well, it's not good. Okay, so I guess a pound dollar, I'm going to give this. Okay, so how about pound dollar CAD? Dollar CAD also get rejected. Okay, then now going back dollar CAD in the whole, looking at this, is still in bear trend. However, today is a retracement in the bear, trying to change the directions. So in this case, when it's at the verge of trying to change the direction, it's a bit difficult for us to trade. Okay, so I'm not going to touch this. I'm going to stay away. Okay, so dollar franc, definitely. Okay, we are going for a bull. So right now is a retracement. So this bull is still running, and over here, I would say that now will there be a chance to sell? Let's check. It's in the bull. Do you want to sell? No, we want to buy. Okay, so buyers take note of the support, the resistance level here. Once it breaks through the resistance, coming back to form a support, okay, then we can start buying. All right, okay. So it's almost kind of opposite. When you are selling, okay, when it breaks through the resistance, come back for a retest on the previous resistance to become a support, and buying signal coming, and that's where you stop. You know what I mean? Okay. So yeah, so over here, dollar yen. How about dollar yen? Dollar yen is taking a ride yesterday. Yeah, for the past few days, it's going up, and now we are still on the resistance. So on the resistance, that means can we sell? Of course not. This is a bull run. If you are trying to sell in the bull, actually you are trading on the retracement. So your profit is only going for a retracement standard, but there's no riding on the wave kind of effect. Okay. So yeah, that's for dollar yen. I'm going to give this a miss as well. Okay. What about Bitcoin? All right, Bitcoin over here. Bitcoin, okay, still looking out for a lower price, lower support, okay, which over here. Okay, so very likely this is going to be the support that we are looking out for. Okay, so with this in mind, okay, for all the Bitcoin players, please stay away first if I want to buy. Okay, if I want to buy. All right. So can I do a selling right now? I think you still have some space to go. Okay, you still have plenty of space to go. So over here to here, I think, wow, that's good. Okay, so yeah, that's for Bitcoin. Be patient, guys. Bitcoin to buy. All right. So don't rush into a trade. Okay. All right. So yeah, I think today is quite short. It's quite fast. Okay. So I guess most of them know okay what to do. Okay. So I'm going to take all this. Okay. Oh my god, I make some mistake here. Okay, Aussie CAD. Okay, Aussie CAD, Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar, US, Aussie CAD, Aussie dollar. Now, yen. Oh, we only have 3. Okay. All right. So Aussie CAD, Aussie dollar, and pound yen. Okay, for this session, we are going to sell only these 3 in this session. So Aussie CAD looks like it's coming soon, near to the support. Aussie dollar, okay, Aussie dollar. So it's the same. We do have a chance to sell. However, please be very tactful on where to sell. Okay. So okay. So how about let me see. Let me check. True. No euro yen. No euro kiwi. No euro dollar. No euro dollar. No. Okay. So okay. Yeah, that's right. Okay. So that's it. Okay, today we have only 3 currency pairs with in this session. Okay, Aussie CAD, Aussie dollar, and pound yen. Okay, all right, that's all for me today. Then tonight, okay, in GMT +8 tonight. Okay, tonight I will be going online in YouTube as well for a live consultation. So guys, please stay tuned with me if you are interested in this session. Please join me. Okay, please join me. And if you are there, you get a question to ask, prepare questions and come to us together at the same time. Okay, which is GMT +8 2100 hours. Okay, so guys, I shall see you later on in this evening. Happy trading with body full of profits. This is Everyday from ACS Learning Hub. I shall see you again. Good luck.